Hi, so nice to see you back at Garfin's creation. Let's make this mouth-watering crab curry with easy to follow recipe. To get the maximum flavor from the crabs, it is best to cook it the same day that you have purchased it. But what if you do not want to cook it the same day? So let me tell you how to retain the flavor and the texture of the crab even if you intend cooking it the next day. So this is around half a kg of crabs, 3 large crabs, which I have cleaned it, washed it thoroughly and cut into 2 pieces. You can also leave it whole. As I'm going to make the curry the next day, I just boil these crabs in 1.5 cup of water. And we'll just boil this for 7 to 8 minutes. Once cooked, you can switch off the flame and let it cool. You can then place it in a bowl along with the water and keep it in the fridge and make a curry out of it the next day too. So the next day, let's make the crab curry. For that I have taken 1 cup of coconut pieces. You can also use grated coconut. I will just grind it without water and get it back. So now once this is ground, I will be adding 1 plus quarter tablespoon of bottle masala. If you do not have the bottle masala, you can add the Malwani masala or any fish curry masala too. Add little water at the time and grind it to a fine paste. And here our lovely masala paste is ready to be cooked. And now let's make the crab curry. I've heated a pan and added 1.5 tablespoon of cooking oil. Here is one tip: if you are using any steel vessels for cooking, you need to heat the vessel well and then add the oil and let the oil to heat up and then continue cooking on medium flame. In this way, the food too will not stick to the bottom of the pan. So now the oil too is hot, and into the hot oil I'll be adding 1 medium size onion. I will fry the sliced onion on medium flame and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Do keep stirring this in between, and once the onions are nice and soft, we will just add the ground masala paste. If you have more quantity of crabs, then you can always double the masala paste and continue the recipe as same. I'll just rinse the mixie jar with half a cup of water and add it into the gravy. We will now cook this gravy till it gets a nice 2 boils, that is for around 4 to 5 minutes. We'll also keep stirring this in between. So now this gravy has got the second boil and the masala looks well cooked. As you see, the masala gravy is quite thick. I have not added much water now, as the crabs that we had boiled earlier has water in it too. The water what we had retained, will be adding that too along with the crabs. If you have fresh crabs and you have not boiled the crabs and kept, you can add the fresh crabs with along a cup of water and cook it on medium flame for around 8 to 10 minutes till the crabs are well cooked. Since I've added the crabs which are already cooked, I will just mix it well and let it cook for another 1 or 2 minutes till it gets another boil. The water in which the crabs were boiled has got all the flavors in it, so do retain that and do add it into the gravy. Next into this I'll be adding half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vinegar and give it a nice mix again. So I'll continue cooking this for about a minute and our delicious crab curry will be ready. You can adjust the quantity of salt and the water for this crab curry according to your preference. You can add less water if you want more thick gravy like the suka crabs. If you prefer having it with rice, you can keep more of the gravy. Believe me, the crabs cooked in this way too is very delicious and very flavorful. So I hope you like this simple and delicious crab curry recipe. Do leave your comments below as how you cook your crabs too. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to Garfin's creation. And I'll see you soon in the next video too. Till then, take care. Bye bye.